Is this a good pole chainsaw to actually, remove some smaller and medium-sized branches? And how do you actually use it? How do you put it together, take it apart, and what all comes with it? And I have a yard with lots of trees and branches falling quite often, so I've cut down many branches and it still works like new. The chainsaw itself is 6 inches. It does come with two batteries, so you could be charging one and swap it out whenever you need to. And then this is the trigger. So you'll hold down both of those buttons down at the bottom to actually use the chainsaw. And then these sections here, they're joints that lock and unlock. So whenever you're extending it out, just make sure to lock it back in. And then this is the power cord at the very top that is going to attach to the chainsaw. Right here, this green button, you can press that and you'll actually be able to detach the chainsaw, and you could use it as a handheld chainsaw. So this is the 6-inch Saker. There is also a 4-inch that I'll show you comparison wise right next to each other. And you do need to know that these come with two batteries, two chains, and it comes with a case as well. This was sent to us as a gift. I hope you have an amazing day.